SERV stock analysis, Friday update, am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. So looking at SERV Robotics, like fundamentally speaking, I'm definitely biased and I'm looking at this market from a bullish lens. But here's the thing. The last thing that I would do here is just randomly FOMO in. You know, that's not what not what I'll do. What I'm using is the strategy. I'm following my system that's previously gotten me thousands of predictions, which I've documented everything. So now with SERV, I mean, all I'm looking for in an unbiased towards is if the price pulls down and gives me the double break towards the upside. I say double break, but it's a Wyckoff accumulation that I'm waiting for. It's just, you know, more people understand it, and it's fundamentally that either this happens or it starts breaking for a second time here. Either way, it needs to show me a little bullishness, you know, for me to then capitalize on it, because that's what my confirmation is, and that's what I've seen working for me after running at the experiment for 26,000 videos. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description, or reviews are 5 stars.